In this session, I'm going to talk about how to find the term value in binomial expression using a formula. Look at this Pascal triangle. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. This is the 0th row, first row, second row, third row, and so on. So this element is 30, 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3, right? And then this one, 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4. Let me verify these answers. So I want to check that 4C2. So 4C2 equivalents to 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 factorial and 2 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times factorial divided by 4 take away 2 is 2, 2 factorial and 2 factorial. You can cancel it out, 2 factorial to 2 factorial, and 4 times 3 is 12 divided by 2 factorial is 2 times 1, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. 4C2 is 6, right? And look at this one. So this one, 5C0, 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C4, 5C5. So check, I want to verify 5C3. So 5C3 equivalents to 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial and 3 factorial. And 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 factorial and 3 factorial. 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial and 2 factorial, and 3 factorial you can write down 3 times 2 and 1. 2 factorial you can cancel it out. 3 to 3 you can cancel it. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. See, 5 C3 is 10, right? So 3x minus 2y to the power 5. So you feel free to pause this video and try yourself this one. So how to do this? And 3x to the power 5 and then minus 2y to the power 0 plus, as we discussed before, and this power is decreasing by 1, and this one minus 2y to the power 0 is increasing by 1, right? Altogether, all the collection of all the exponents should be 5. 3x to the power 4 minus 2y to the power 1 plus 3x to the power 4 or 3 and minus 2y to the power 2 plus 3x to the power 2 minus 2y to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 1 minus 2y power 4 plus 3x to the power 0 minus 2y to the power 5. Now you can add all the coefficients. Now this is power 5, and we know all the coefficients to the power 5 is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So 3x to the power 5, 3x, 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5 is 243. So let me write 243, and x to the power 5, and minus 2y to the power 0 is 1 plus 5 here. 3 to the power 4 is 81, and x to the power 4 and minus 2 and y, right? Then plus 10 times 3 to the power 3 is 27, x to the power 3 and minus 2y to the power 2 is 4y to the power 2. Again 10, 3 to the power 2 is 9, x to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 3 is minus 8, y to the power 3. 5, 3, x minus 2 to the power 4 is 16, y to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 0 is 1, minus 2 to the power 5 is negative 32, y to the power 5. 243 x to the power 5 plus 5 times 81 is 405 times negative 2 is 810. So 810 x to the power 4 and y. And then next one is plus 10 times 27 is 270. 270 times 4 is 180. Sorry, 1080. 1080 x to the power 3 and y to the power 2 plus 10 times, right? 10 times 9 is 90. 90 times 8 is 720, which is plus into minus is minus 720 x to the power 2 and y to the power 3 plus 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 16 is 240 and x y to the power 4. And here plus into minus is negative and 32 y to the power 5. So this is the final answer. So look at this. This is the first term and the second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and the sixth term, right? Yeah. So, and then here, so the fourth term is 700 minus 720 x to the power 2, y to the power 3. So this value, I can take it, I can find that value using the formula. So let me show you the formula. A plus b to the power n equals to NCR a n minus r b to the power r. Right. What is my binomial expression? Is 3x minus 2y to the power 5. So my a value is 3x and b value is negative 2y, right? So r is term value minus 1. So I want to find the fourth term, which is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, which is negative 720. Yeah, so negative 720. So my fourth term is negative 720 x to the power 2 and y to the power 3. So my fourth term is negative 720 x to the power 2, y to the power 3. Let me verify this, right? So r value, you get that 4 minus 1, r equals to 3. So my a value is 3x and my b value is negative 2y. So what is the function? NCR and a n minus r b r. So my r value is 3. My n value, n is 5. My n is 5. So 5 c r is 3. A value is 3x. 5 minus 3 and b value is negative 2y to the power 3. 5c3, 3x, 5 minus 3 is 2, negative 2y to the power 3. So find 5c3 first. 5c3 equals to 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial and 3 factorial. 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial and 3 factorial. 5 you can write down as 5 times 4 times 3 factorial, 2 factorial 2 times 1 and 3 factorial. You can cancel it out. 3 factorial to 3 factorial. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 and 3 to the power 2 is 9 and x to the power 2 and negative 2 to the power 3 is negative 8 and y to the power 3. 10 times 9, 90. 90 times 8, 720 negative and x to the power 2, y to the power 3. So fourth term is negative 720 and x to the power 2 and y to the power 3. Yeah, this is the answer. Okay. X to the power 3 plus 2 divided by x to the power 8. Find the constant value. Feel free to pause this video and try yourself. Right. What is the function? The formula is a plus b to the power n NCR a n minus r and b r, right? So I take this r equivalents to simple r equivalents to capital R. So this is sort of assumption. N C R a, my a value is x to the power 3 and my n is 8. So 8 minus r and my b value is 2 over x and r. So 8 CR x. So you know that x to the power 3 raised to the power 8 minus r, you can multiply by 3, 8 minus r. So when you multiply, it's 24 minus 3r. And this 2 over x raised to the power r, this r belongs to 2 and x. So 2 to the power r and x to the power r is the positive value. And then if you bring it up, you can make it into negative. So x minus r. Now HCR, when the base is equivalence, you can add the powers. So x 2r, negative 3r plus negative r is negative 4r to the power r. If you want to find the constant value, this x to the power 2, 4 minus 4r should be equivalent to 0. 24 minus 4r should be equivalent to 0. So that is the assumption. So 24 minus 4r equivalent to 0, and then 4r equivalent to 24, and r should be 6. If you substitute this value to the function, you get the constant value. N8 C6, a value is x to the power 3, and then 8 minus 6 is 2, and 2 over x, r value is 6. 8 C6, x to the power 6, 2 to the power 6 over x to the power 6. So you can cancel it out, x to the power 6 and x to the power 6. And then 8c6 is 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial and 6 factorial. And 2 to the power 6 is 2 to the power 5 is 32 and 64. 8 factorial is 8 times 7 times 6 factorial divided by 2 times 1 and 6 factorial and 64. 6 factorial to 6 factorial, you can cancel it out. 2 times 1, 2 times 4. 4 times 7 is 28 times 64. You multiply these two values. 64, 28. 8 times 4, 32. 2, 3 remaining. 8 times 6, 48, 51. 8, 12, 2, 9, 7, 1. So the constant value is 1792. Right. So I hope that you understood this lesson very well, and we can start from the next one. Thank you.